In order to find app lock and lock apps on your Redmi A7 Pro, first we can open settings, scroll down in settings and search for the apps option. Then over here we have the app lock, so we can just tap on it. We can choose the password type that you wish to use in order to access those apps that you are going to lock. So you can either choose the screen lock password or you can create a privacy protection password. So for the privacy reasons, I assume that you want to set up the privacy protection password, and we can tap on a turn on. And if you don't have a privacy protection password just yet, then you can tap on set up in order to create it. By default, we can set up a 6-digit PIN code in order to use it for the privacy protection things, but you can also tap on other screen lock types in order to choose, for example, a custom PIN over here. You can also switch to password or pattern. So let's say I'm gonna switch to a pattern. We need to enter our password and then enter it again in order to confirm and press OK. You can also use a Xiaomi account in order to be able to recover the password in case you forget it, because if you do forget it, then of course it's going to be very difficult to get it back. And let's tap on that now. In my case, I'm not gonna use it. Now here we have a couple of suggestions that we can lock immediately. So a couple of apps that we can lock straight away. You can actually tap on these apps in order to uncheck them if you don't want to lock anything just yet. And then we can choose use app lock. Over here we have the list of all apps that we can lock on our phone. So if you want to lock something, you can just simply tap on the switcher here on the right side, and that should be all. So let's say I'm gonna tap over here, and also for, let's say, this app over here. There we go. And that is all. Now we should be able to, of course, try to open any of these apps that we locked, and if you try to do so, you will have to enter the password. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.